The surprising benefits of forbidden fruits for diabetics. Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise many of you: the benefits of forbidden fruits for diabetics. If you've ever been told to steer clear of certain fruits because of their sugar content, you're not alone. Many people with diabetes have been led to believe that all fruits are off-limits. But what if we told you that some of these so-called forbidden fruits can actually be beneficial when consumed in moderation? In this video, we'll explore the myths surrounding fruits like bananas, grapes, and mangoes, and reveal how they can fit into a diabetic-friendly diet. We'll discuss the nutritional value of these fruits, their glycemic index, and how they can provide essential vitamins and minerals. Plus, we'll share tips on how to enjoy these fruits without compromising your health. Get ready to challenge the conventional wisdom and discover how you can incorporate these delicious options into your meals. By the end of this video, you'll have a fresh perspective on fruits that were once deemed off-limits, and you might just find a new favorite snack. Watch out for a real-life scenario we will share with you in this video. So, let's get started. Understanding forbidden fruits. When we talk about forbidden fruits, we're referring to those fruits that many diabetics are often advised to avoid due to their higher sugar content. Common examples include bananas, grapes, and mangoes. The term forbidden can be misleading, as it implies that these fruits are entirely off-limits. In reality, the avoidance stems from a misunderstanding of their nutritional value and how they affect blood sugar levels. One of the biggest misconceptions is that all fruits are created equal when it comes to sugar. While it's true that some fruits contain more natural sugars than others, it's essential to consider the glycemic index, GI, of these fruits. The GI measures how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels. For instance, bananas have a moderate GI, but when eaten in moderation, they can still be part of a balanced diet. Portion control is also crucial. Enjoying a small serving of grapes or a half banana can provide the benefits of these fruits without causing significant spikes in blood sugar. By understanding the facts about forbidden fruits, diabetics can make informed choices that allow them to enjoy a wider variety of foods while managing their health effectively. Nutritional benefits of forbidden fruits. Let's take a closer look at the nutritional advantages of consuming certain forbidden fruits, such as cherries and mangoes. These fruits are not only delicious but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. For instance, cherries are rich in vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants like anthocyanins, which can help reduce inflammation and support heart health. Mangoes, on the other hand, are an excellent source of vitamins A and C, as well as folate, which plays a crucial role in cell function and overall health. These nutrients can significantly support diabetes management. Vitamin C, for example, helps in maintaining healthy blood vessels, while potassium aids in regulating blood pressure. The antioxidants found in these fruits can combat oxidative stress, which is often elevated in individuals with diabetes. Moreover, the fiber content in cherries and mangoes is particularly beneficial. Fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of sugars, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. This means that when consumed in moderation, these forbidden fruits can be a valuable addition to a diabetic-friendly diet, providing essential nutrients while helping to manage blood sugar effectively. Embracing these fruits can enhance your overall health without sacrificing flavor. How to incorporate forbidden fruits into your diet. Incorporating forbidden fruits into your diet can be both enjoyable and beneficial for managing diabetes. The key is to focus on portion sizes and combinations with other foods to help balance blood sugar levels. A good rule of thumb is to limit servings to about half a medium banana or a small handful of grapes. Pairing these fruits with a source of protein or healthy fat, such as Greek yogurt or nuts, can further stabilize blood sugar and enhance satiety. There are plenty of delicious ways to enjoy these fruits. For example, you can create a vibrant fruit salad by mixing cherries, mangoes, and berries, topped with a sprinkle of nuts for added crunch. Smoothies are another great option. Blend mango with spinach, a scoop of protein powder, and unsweetened almond milk for a nutritious treat. Mindful eating practices are essential when enjoying these fruits. Take the time to savor each bite, paying attention to the flavors and textures. This approach not only enhances your eating experience but also helps you feel satisfied without guilt. By following these tips, you can confidently include forbidden fruits in your meals while maintaining a balanced diet. Myth-busting: common misconceptions. When it comes to diabetes and diet, there are several prevalent myths that can lead to unnecessary restrictions. One of the most common misconceptions is that all fruits are bad for diabetics. This simply isn't true. While it's important to be mindful of sugar content, many fruits can be enjoyed in moderation and offer valuable nutrients. For instance, fruits like cherries and mangoes contain natural sugars, but they also provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can support overall health. Research shows that the fiber in fruits can help slow down sugar absorption, making them a smart choice when consumed in appropriate portions. Another myth is that eating fruit will cause immediate spikes in blood sugar. In reality, the glycemic index varies among fruits, and understanding this can help you make informed choices. By combining fruits with proteins or healthy fats, you can further mitigate any potential blood sugar spikes. It's time to rethink dietary restrictions and embrace variety in your meals. Incorporating a range of fruits can enhance your diet and provide numerous health benefits. So, let go of the myths and discover the delicious possibilities that forbidden fruits can offer. Real-life success stories. Let's take a moment to celebrate some inspiring real-life success stories from diabetics who have successfully included forbidden fruits in their diets. One such story comes from Sarah, a 34-year-old who was initially hesitant to eat bananas due to their sugar content. After consulting with her nutritionist, she learned how to enjoy them in moderation. Now, she adds half a banana to her morning oatmeal, which not only satisfies her sweet tooth but also keeps her energy levels stable throughout the day. Another inspiring example is Mark, a 45-year-old who loves mangoes. He used to avoid them entirely, fearing they would spike his blood sugar. However, after learning about portion control and the benefits of fiber, he started incorporating mango slices into his salads. He found that this not only enhanced the flavor but also helped him feel fuller for longer. These diverse perspectives highlight that with the right knowledge and approach, forbidden fruits can be a delightful part of a diabetic-friendly diet. We encourage you to share your own experiences in the comments below. Have you tried including any forbidden fruits in your meals? Your story could inspire others on their journey to better health. In today's video, we explored the surprising benefits of forbidden fruits for diabetics, highlighting how fruits like bananas, cherries, and mangoes can be enjoyed in moderation. We discussed the nutritional advantages these fruits offer, including essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which can support overall health and help manage blood sugar levels. Remember, it's not about eliminating these fruits from your diet but rather understanding portion sizes and combining them with other foods for balanced meals. Key takeaways include recognizing that not all fruits are created equal and that many can be beneficial when consumed mindfully. By debunking common myths and sharing real-life success stories, we hope to inspire you to rethink your dietary choices and embrace a wider variety of foods. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights on diabetes management and healthy eating. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from it. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so drop a comment below. Explore our related content for more tips and recipes that can help you on your journey to better health. Thank you for watching.